Hello, my friends, and welcome to week 5 of distance learning. How much things have changed since the beginning. We've learned, we've grown. So now we're back with another Aloha. So hopefully by now you know the song, moms and dads and grandmas too. So sing along with us. Are you gonna come help me? Aloha, aloha, that's how we say hello. Aloha, aloha, that's how we say hello. Now last week we did some new ways to greet. So we said konichiwa, ni hao, and ciao. So we're gonna start with our konichiwa. Are you ready? Some say konichiwa, konnichiwa. Some say ni hao, ni hao. Some say ciao, ciao. How do you say hello? Aloha, aloha. That's how we say hello. Aloha, aloha. That's how we say hello. One more time. Some say konnichiwa, konnichiwa. Some say ni hao, ni hao, Benny. Ni hao. Some say ciao, ciao.
Ciao.
How do you say hello? Aloha, aloha. That's how we say hello. Aloha, aloha. That's how we say hello. Ta-da! Excellent. Welcome to music. I'll see you at the next song. Bye.